Thank you very much for joining me again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract any object from any image or pictures. So let's go into the pictures. So let's select this picture. So when you press and hold, you'll see the flashlight go through and you can select the object. Let's say if you want to share to any other application, so just swipe up, you can go to the home screen. Let's go with the text messages. So when you just come here and you can just drag it. When you see this cursor is blinking, just leave it here. And this is copy. When you press enter, you can send it to anybody. And this thing you can just, in this thing you can use in iMessages, text messages and all that stuff. So let's try to get to the other object, and you can select the multi-object also. So let's go with this one, and if you just press and hold, you can select these both. You see this flashlight and the both are okay. So you can crop later on during the message and everything. So when you go there and swipe up again, and you'll see this is the previous one. So see, this is a couple of images you can select at once. Thank you very much for joining me again. If you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.